Hello everyone, welcome to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we'll be making pink lemonade pie. I have a lot of fun announcements basically. I got new lighting. I am shining, glimmering. I started doing live shows at the Schaumburg Township District Library. Now I've done 2 shows. I have another one coming up. It's almost the end of summer, and I thought it'd be fun if we did something lemonade themed. So we're gonna do pink lemonade pie. So it's gonna be a pretzel crust at the bottom, and then the pink lemonade filling, and then Cool Whip on top. So with that, let's get started. To begin, I have our ingredients here. 2 cups of crushed pretzels, a ½ cup of butter softened, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 whole can of pink lemonade, around 12 ounces, 1 package of 8-ounce cream cheese, 2 packs of our white chocolate jello, 1 whole lemon, Cool Whip container, around 8 ounces, and a few drops of red dye. So that's all of our ingredients. Then we have our stand mixer, then I have pie pan, and then all of our utensils. So with that, let's get started with our first step. I have our 2 cups of crushed pretzels, and then I have our 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I have our ½ cup of butter, which I now melted. I have our oven preheated at 350 because we'll be baking our crust. And so I'm going to add in first our sugar. And I'm going to whisk our sugar, and I'm going to add in our ½ cup of butter. And then we're going to add in our pretzel crust. And then I'm going to use a spatula to help me press this down. Now that we have that pressed in, I have the oven preheated at 350, and we're going to throw this in for around 8 minutes. While the crust is baking in the oven, we're going to be working on our filling portion. I have our cream cheese, our 2 boxes of white chocolate jello, our pink lemonade concentrate, and then our food coloring, and of course the stand mixer with us. First thing that we're going to do for the filling is that we're going to actually melt down our cream cheese. So we're going to put this in the microwave for around 40 seconds to a minute. Next, we're going to take our stand mixer and add in our cream cheese, our melted cream cheese. We're then going to add in jello. We're going to blend this on medium-low speed. I'm going to add our 12 ounces into our cream cheese and jello mixture. Mixture has kind of almost clumped together in a sense. Our next step will be adding this filling mixture into our pie pan. I'm going to open our Cool Whip and take around half of this, maybe even 1/4, and I'm going to add it to our filling mixture. We're then going to add it to our crust. Our pretzel crust here is all cooled, and we're going to add in this mixture. We're then going to add our Cool Whip topping. I'm going to grab a wooden spatula like this. We're going to add the garnish first. Okay. We're going to add little lemon slices to the top. So here is our finished pink lemonade pie, and I did make a complimentary pink lemonade drink because why not? And so, thank you guys for joining me in another episode of Owen's Treats, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!